note.
And I see too, you know, the high and low, there's such a spread there. Is it because of little humidity, which I like?
Yeah,
I'm not complaining.
Yeah, when there's dry air, you do see the big contrast between. That's very good.
Yeah, see?
Meteorology 101, I like that. But anyway, it's going to be, you know, kind of changeable there. You may have to wear a coat in the morning, but short sleeves almost by afternoon.
All right, thanks, Greg.
Okay.
And just ahead, the East Chambers tournament moves closer to crowning its champions. Alex Colley and KFDM Sports coming up next. He once aspired to be a great chef, but found his calling sculpting Santas. Now he sells his one-of-a-kind sculptures as well as types of Christmas decor out of his store in a small West Texas town. Texas Country reporter Bob Phillips has more. Beaumont police have already filed more than 100 DWI cases this year. A man has died after investigators say he was shot by a sheriff's deputy during a struggle. Newton County Sheriff Joe Walker says 41-year-old David Thomas McCarter was involved in a disturbance with a man at his home and fired shots at the man's car. A deputy responded to a call of shots fired. He found McCarter in the parking lot of a Baptist church near Highway 63. When the deputy confronted McCarter, there was a struggle and the deputy used a taser. Sheriff Walker says the man did not stop fighting and grabbed the deputy's gun. The deputy fired one shot at McCarter. McCarter died this afternoon at Christus Jasper Memorial Hospital. These pictures were taken by our media partner KJAS Radio in Jasper. To read more about the story, go to KFDM.com. Port Arthur police say the gunman was dressed in all black and wearing a bandana over his face. If you have any information, call the Port Arthur Police Department at 983-8613. Two men got away with a large amount of cash this morning after robbing a Dollar General store on Gulf Street in Beaumont. Investigators say employees were opening the store around 6:30 this morning when the two men with silver handguns forced their way inside. The robbers ordered the employees to open the store safe and several locked cash registers. If you have any information about the robbery, call Crime Stoppers at 833-TIPS. You could be eligible for up to a $1,000 reward. And time to check with Carrie Cooper now for the first look at the forecast. Carrie? Iran is accusing the United States of spying and claim they have video to prove it. The country says it shot the footage during naval drills in a strategic waterway flowing into the Persian Gulf. Heather Kovar has more on the growing tensions between the United States and Iran. And coming up on KFDM News at 6, it wasn't a smoke detector but a dog that saved a family from a raging house fire. And 2 people are killed and dozens hurt in a massive pileup in New Orleans. I never thought close to January 1st we were going to see 70s.
That's right, but a big cool down coming early next week though. We're talking lows around 30 even in the Triangle next Tuesday morning.
That makes me excited. I know it doesn't make you very excited, but it makes me excited. So we get some good winter weather. Thanks, Carrie. And just ahead, 2 Beaumont rivals face off in a holiday basketball tournament. Mike Friedman and KFDM Sports coming up next.